Hi guys, if Apple Watch blood oxygen is not working, then how to fix it? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just run the ECG app for once. Okay, so just find out the ECG app. Here it is, tap on it. Okay, and now you have to run the ECG app. You have to hold the finger on your crown, and now once you have run it, now try to open this blood oxygen app and start, and it'll work fine. Okay, so this is the first fix. Second thing to note is make sure these bones are not interfering with this. So try to move up like this, or try to move up by wearing this a little loose, and then try to start it and see if it works or not. Okay, now if this is still not working, then what you can do, you can just update your iPhone. So just go to settings app and go to general, tap on general, go to software update and update your iPhone to the latest version, and it will also update the watch app. Okay, and now restart both the phone and this Apple Watch and see if it works or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.